Hi guys, this is me. I know it's been a minute. I have been on vacation, but I am doing this video because not only was I inspired by a student, I was doing a pitch, and my student actually gave me the title to this video, which is, he's like, Mika, you're revolutionizing how real estate is done. So I was like, that's a good video topic. So I'm going to tell you about this student. It is a success story, and you guys, if you guys are watching this video in this moment, please drop a note on how I can get my students on video. I don't know why people are so afraid of the camera, but nobody wants to do videos. I guess I could do a script of testimonials on emails. Maybe I'll try that, but I've been wanting people to do videos. But anyway, if you could drop a line or a comment on how I can entice people to do videos, please let me know. But this particular student, it's a success story. It did take him some time, but he did it. And let me just tell you the amazing thing about why he said that I'm going to be revolutionizing how people invest in real estate. So as you guys know, my channel is tax deeds and overages. This particular student invested in my overage program. It took him a year. It did take him some time to actually commit to the process of, collecting overages, but he collected, I can't remember the amount, but he collected enough from the overage, and he took that money and he bought his first tax deed. And he was like, this is revolutionary, because not only did he help somebody get the money that was owed to them, but he was able to take money that he had not, he didn't even invest in collecting this overage, right? Because as you guys know, when you are doing overages, it's very minimal to invest, and sometimes you don't even have to invest a dime in overages. It just really depends on the county. But anyway, I wanted to say that he took the money from the overage and he brought his first tax deed. And get this, you guys, it's like, I don't even know what's the ROI on this, right? Because it took him a year to get the overage, right? And then he got the money from the overage. He bought a tax deed, and he turned around and flipped the tax deed for 50% of what he purchased. So I don't even know what the ROI on that is, but literally it was none of his money. And so this is just a short video on how I feel like this is revolutionary, because since when can you buy or do anything in real estate without putting in money first? Well, guess what? In overages. Overages can be the stepping stool for you to get your tax deed, and from getting a tax deed, you could flip that money. If you buy right on a tax deed, you could sell it, and then you could flip it. So I just wanted to encourage and empower people that even if you don't buy my program, or you're just looking and you're just learning about it, to don't give up. Keep on pressing, keep on learning. But you know what somebody said to me the other day? That was like, you can't Google experience. So you have to try. Some people just watch, and then they keep wanting to learn all these different things, but you know what? Nothing trumps experience. And this guy, literally, I wish he could have recorded some of his videos, but not his videos, his conversations, because he was telling me the more and more conversations he had, the better he got. So I just want to encourage and empower those that are actually interested in doing overages first. It's a marathon. It's not a quick race. It's a marathon. It's not something that happens overnight. I have been blessed and lucky to connect to some people, and I'll give you this nugget. You can actually do very well if you find a county that nobody's working, period, end of story. If you could find a county that nobody's working, that whole county will be yours. And get this, there's over 3,000 counties in the United States. So take your pick, take your choice. And happy investing. That's all I wanted to say today. Revolutionize real estate. And if you are a student of mine, come on and let's revolutionize this. Happy investing, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.